For reading YAML, going through large relationship files, it's kind of a challenge to search for specific joins or specific paths. So kind of threw together a way to visualize that. This is our like internal Omni data, but basically everything in the relationship file is mapped out. So if we look into like the organizations field, you can just kind of see all the joins that are going to it or going from it if there were any. Can also see aliases. So here is like Salesforce user is aliased from, it's all the way down here, but like the users table. And so this has been pretty useful when like a customer comes with a more or less complex, like where's my field? I'm not able to reach it. But this is like the full relationship file. So what would be a little more useful is this type of visualization, which is actually built off the model. So anything that's in a topic, here we have the Salesforce opportunity. Again, this is internal, so I don't know if people should see it, but you can do the same thing. So the account field, everything going to it, going from it. And what I like to do is see what's reachable from these fields or from these tables outside of the topic as well. So this isn't just visualizing the single topic, but everything that's reachable. And kind of got the metadata here for what the joins look like, and then also the schema colors because there's a lot of schemas. But yeah, maybe this will inspire someone for Hack Week next week to make it real or play off of that.
James, where is this? What is this?
This is just a Python script I think this is writing JavaScript to visualize it. But yeah, I'm just running it locally.
We need Python and app now.
It can probably be converted pretty easily.
Very cool.
We've talked about Python tabs. Why not?